We've got some news, let me make it clear. Geomagic For Solidworks is still right here. You thought it was gone, but it's still alive. Partner with us, watch your projects thrive. Reverse engineer, it's the way to go. From point cloud to CAD, it's all in the flow. In SolidWorks we make it real. Scan, rebuild, and start to feel. Scan straight into SolidWorks, watch it come alive. Rebuild your CAD and take your designs to the skies. It's intuitive, simple, integrated. You see, Geomagic For Solidworks, it's the tool you need to be free. Data handling straightforward, easy to see. Scan or import, just bring it to me. Capture every detail that tools couldn't find. With Geomagic there's no need to rewind. Reverse engineering never been so smooth. In SolidWorks you've got the power to groove. Features extracted, your path is clear. The future of design is finally here. Scan straight into SolidWorks, you come alive. Rebuild your CAD and take your designs to the skies. It's intuitive, simple, integrated. You see, Geomagic For Solidworks, it's the tool you need to be free. Aerospace, automotive, consumer goods, redesign. Optimize where your ideas stood. From architecture, industrial tooling to Geomagic's the key to make it all come through. No more translation, no wasted time. Perfect fit, perfect part. Every single design, surfacing mesh and point cloud on point. All in SolidWorks will join the right joint. Scan straight into SolidWorks, you come alive. Rebuild your CAD and take your designs to the skies. It's intuitive, simple, integrated. You see, Geomagic For Solidworks, it's the tool you need to build free. What are you waiting for? The future's here today. Download your trial and watch your worries fade away. Geomagic For Solidworks, let's build your dreams.